In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin on MetaTrader5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open a Bitcoin chart and place a trade using the MetaTrader5 platform. Let's start inside MetaTrader5. Once you have the platform open and you're logged into your trading account, look for the section called Market Watch. This is usually on the left side of your screen. Market Watch is where you can see the list of available instruments your broker offers, including forex pairs, indices, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. If you don't see Market Watch, you can enable it from the View menu at the top of the platform, or by pressing the standard shortcut that opens it. Take a moment to make sure it's visible so you can easily find Bitcoin. In the Market Watch window, scroll through the list until you find the symbol that represents Bitcoin. The exact symbol name can vary depending on your broker, but it will usually include BTC in some form. Once you've located the Bitcoin symbol, move your mouse over it and right-click. This will open a small context menu with several options related to that instrument. From this menu, choose the option that says Chart Window. When you click Chart Window, MetaTrader5 will open a new chart specifically for Bitcoin. This chart shows the price movement over time and will form the basis for your trading decisions. You can adjust the time frame, change the chart type, and add indicators if you want to analyze the market more deeply. Even if you're just following a simple strategy, it's a good idea to glance at the chart to understand the current trend and recent price action. Now that your Bitcoin chart is open, you're ready to place a trade. At the top of the platform, look for the button labeled New Order. With the Bitcoin chart active, click on New Order. This will bring up the order window for Bitcoin specifically. In the order window, you'll be able to set your trade parameters, such as volume, and whether you want to buy or sell. Take a moment to double check that the symbol shown is Bitcoin and confirm that all your settings match your trading plan. When everything looks correct, you can execute the trade from this window. And that's the basic process. Open Market Watch, right-click the Bitcoin symbol, open the chart window, and then click New Order to place your trade.